2025 Chevrolet Camaro 454. The icon returns. Channel. Motor Minds. The legend is back. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro 454 is here, and Chevy has gone all out to bring us a muscle car that screams power, heritage, and modern performance. Welcome to Motor Minds. Let's dive into what makes this beast a game changer. Right off the bat, you can tell Chevy means business. The 2025 Camaro 454 takes inspiration from its classic predecessors but with a modern twist. The redesigned front grille, aggressive LED lighting, and sculpted bodywork give it a bold and menacing stance. And check this out, functional hood vents to keep that monstrous engine cool. The wider stance, aerodynamic tweaks, and optional carbon fiber accents make this Camaro look like it's ready to dominate both the streets and the track. Now, this is what we've been waiting for, the heart of the beast. Under the hood, we've got a 454 cubic inch naturally aspirated V8 pumping out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque. That's right, folks, Chevy is bringing back the big block legacy. With a 0 to 60 mph time of just under 3.5 seconds, this thing is built for speed. And Chevy isn't just throwing in raw power. They've fine-tuned the 10-speed automatic and 6-speed manual transmissions to give you absolute control over all that muscle. Magnetic ride control, Brembo brakes, and an adaptive suspension mean this Camaro isn't just a straight-line monster, it can handle corners like a pro. Step inside, and Chevy has completely revamped the cockpit. Premium leather and Alcantara seats, a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen packed with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's performance data recorder. And for those who love track days, Chevy offers a heads-up display, launch control, and customizable driving modes, so you can fine-tune the beast to your liking. Chevy isn't stopping with just one version. The Z28 Track Edition comes with extra aero, weight reduction, and an even more aggressive suspension setup. If you're into drag racing, the Drag Pack Edition brings beefier tires, a trans brake, and a stripped-down interior for maximum speed. The 2025 Camaro 454 starts at around $75,000, with higher trims pushing into the $90,000 plus range. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro 454 is a love letter to muscle car fans, raw power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge performance. Could this be the ultimate modern muscle car? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more epic car content. This is Motor Minds, and we'll catch you in the next one.